Hello, Nanaya. Hello, Nanaya, Otimenka. Nanaya jina homano so na jini ni Sompa FM. Omo dina na mo sanka no mame. Na mene Nanaya adwotwe nkomo. Na ye musia no de ekọ so ewo mrahye bedwa fie mu na afei ye nhwe ne a epanimfo no de omo ye. Nana me mo achi o.
Me ju so tema.
Na what to say?
Oba de adom me ho ye na so e.
Me no kasa sesi a wo gina he pote watimi awura me ye screen you anasa den.
Se ya me no kasa ide. Jensen trofo ye ntimi ngwa chemba ni mu ye. Afa yansa na chemba no wo madi a MPC no ewura mu na ninia esewani ensa me katre sanse fo no nimi enu nyina. Obi pre so be wura mu tam na wakotna speaker nsa nifa so. Ansa na daboni na dru na u be piemu aha no pai a bambo ho nsam no aman home so esansi no pai ya dia afrafo ma ku din nan na be gudom nim na wo mu kita mu kama ya ohun hwa ade se wo mu be hese empo obi mfa bibibo ni mehye chemba nim ana na sisi ya na metimi aka se afrafo no de wo ma ya omaduma wie enti wo matu mu ka akọ enu nti MPC ni na ewuram. So far, the better speak and send it for the better than Kumusono, and no acquire manson. They try no Duba, Speaker of Parliament, Albans, Mana, Kingsford, Bagben, or Baba Betanasi. Now, others are Supreme Court of the man, no, and then a new Yano. Two this so, and also no so what a Parliament, adding into one sono. Minia, every better.
Yeah, to the set, your whole video are not on prayer, Eurema Kotna majority side. Previous one no na no ekwan be no nya atimi ko wura mu abra na no nwotwe moye.
Yes ya honorable Frank anodom say timi wura mu fe anopa no oba ye no wo ye say obedi kan awura mu na so masa wo kini out esan say na no nwotwe emoye enu nti wo ye say wo ne nkofo no edi kan gina gate na no enti bra masa bia gate na pa no mu di kan wura mu
anti o mu akotra majority ho.
And to the better majority officer, honorable Frank Anodom is the first MP to enter the chamber.
And you know, so far MPP for ni biswake kan ho na NDC for ni remu no. What is so almost wake kan ho majority ho na.
NDC for no edi MPP for na chi. Ana so far your man media no yen timi nwa chamber ni mu yen timi no kata mi na bonten.
Enti wontumi nhunu se e bia o mu nyina pre majority ho na asa den.
Anase omoto so far ko sisa mo be ma ye media ne kwanya me awura mu no se ya de min to min se be bi potnya ona bo fanka no dom pro betna
na wona MPC ne didi nkomo menim se dan ya mbako mienu watete bibi are they going to have a showdown anase omu nyina ekotena ba bi omote na de babin be ka no omo de aye adwuma
se ye be kai majority leader Alexander Fenomakin wakasa what the church say and let's show down said the Ghana for susu said the beginning of 8th parliament a year no or see and then a binsi or not the or change speaker says speaker beba betnafi not the mrane tono or the ato the speaker cafe chinchinachi parliament institution or modu among into among German Supreme Court on Sesam Nama or so be it so what the kayaka tell omono speaker nyantuma they boycott parliament because Supreme Court interpretation at the article 97 no so speaker kasi ya de mrada yeduma the Supreme Court akanisa mate obi antre da bia wote MPC ni so medical mu seat vacant no o me betumi abadwuma ene o mu nyina be ka bomu na so eno kwesi ye edom kuma on press conference o mu ye ya wọ́n sọ di stress sẹ́yìn speaker tí ní ẹ́ di case seat vacant díẹ̀ ẹ̀nẹ́ ọmọ náà ọmọ yẹ majority yẹ àwọn ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe kọ́ abúabọ́ amátàṣà àhódùọ́ wọ́n di private members motion àbá bẹ́ẹ̀ clear ní nyina ẹ̀fẹ̀ Ghana fọ́ so ẹ̀tì sọ́ọ̀fà no kò tí sẹ́ speaker kọ́ abẹ́bá bẹ́ẹ̀ tena ase na yẹn hu di ẹ̀bẹ́ kọ́ so no obi ato ẹ̀yẹ majority òfìà kò tí sẹ́ speaker bẹ́ẹ̀ di Supreme Court asẹ́mu náà túmù sí wọ́n yín ntùmù ní díẹ̀ ní ni ẹ̀bẹ́ yẹ dín.
All right. Nana ya amada se wo ho no mo bibia ba e be frɛ na ya twetwe nkomo wai Nana ya ene ne twe nkomo na correspondent from Parliament and Motesia Joche and Comono. And now no pay Shani Muse, Honorable Chairman Sabonsu, Ebabe Kainsa, Member of Parliament for Swami, and then MPP, a Manifesto Committee Chairperson for 2024, Obabe Kainsa, near Nacho Chen Komo, Minim Rashibi Jafin Semi, Obi Kapari, so free Hanumano, and I mean, Sabia, and any HM Rashibi Jafi, and Nasebi and the Otuminko, and they. A dear Bassem and a be free Albambabiano. Sesia Albambabi, Aya Kamia, I said Ghana Kurano. Okuta Ghana. I said, you're back and about Yentie and some are not on prayer or more interview no Wakaye. Na after tie Agujan so asem. Moma Yentie are not on prayer and no more Sama or the Tuja. Okay, Madam Akwaba.
Papa.
Future life for Fia. Mammy, you are pay.
Yo, future life for a chairman pay. And say so bit my bibia, politics ye bibia. So bit me no near Pomudia, Nadia bit me.
Nadia bit me.
Inti wapom de here, inti and there be a better hano. We say, go for do my share upon de or monfaho. Or more bottom no more than to show upon de your health is your own responsibility. One is our share. Na de bia besin se wiema Ghana ha ekuni papa mani pa bebrenya stroke omu fise ha na nchechire bia ni hasa eno hwa HIV crowd bet na ejaye nti HIV se say doctor che malaria nti wan kasa wote hwa hwo ho so ye be your own doctor hwe de wudie na ade ba ko a meka ho asem ne sa aduane we future life repair food sa wo hwa ho a wo se kotodwe bi da ho ana wa posu bi da ho Enipeduano from 25 years ago na collagen ne wo mu ni na ekofom de ma wotimi gina so sa ababuno no na ekofom enti no sa nuane we aduane a wodi a ehye sa de na ma de efiu nipaduam na da bia meka se unan na de nante na wonsa na de adwumenti no waposo no ehu hia pa enti we future life repair food se wu nyina nipa wu nyina na waposo no bibi hye ho bi frɛ ni foam ebi frɛ di gege cartilages ne na ewe ehye wapo no so nyina anya okotodwenko ehye waha ena timi mani pagina so no ti wu nyine ne esa pe na kasa ne sisu sei afi na o se kasa na animu ne rough wo hwe na ntwe kasa ekura wo hu enti na start etwitwi na ehi ebehi akopem se be flat pe to kuro dem betimi anya bone cancer ena ebasa na aso na kokomu ntimo na fa ato ase wo sa na aso sisi afi wo nante a untimi nante obua ne sisi timi chia de koto yitimi na beti timi hwan na bakon afi na wonsa no yetitiriti yesi ananse acho aduane we aduane a so hya ase di asade ne binyo efise sade ne ye wa obetimi anya stroke we aduane udi no na masa untimi nyina ye mre enya dendenden we atete no na ye nananom omokọ sebe toilet wa no mokoto so bigidi se enya abafude ya enipa betimi akoto toilet be se 2% enkwala nko na betimi ye ena obi nya 40 years kura ontimi nkoto obi nya 50 kura ontimi je heal ni nyina ye sa ne oma na ha ye no enti da bia meka se China for ne India for se wanya 70-75 years na fe na wasi uma ba brem eno mranti be ye de esi ekowudi enti a ye hwe aduane die ye we natural food supplement ya ebo ni pedua na support system no enti mo me ni bi obi ani bi me de beka ho asem da kopim so obi abedi vise me di bi aboa me 2 years ago mi ko prep etina me nan so ma mi ko todwe de na eye me no na mi di bi na aboa me enti so di bi entina ho ya aduane udi na siesie ni pedua no obi wa onyini kakra na we de na ye basa na asset titigu na se sia na se so cells ni nyina ewu future life repair food no repair muscles ni nyina untini okase udompe unyina na onioma mu yemre na waposo nyina yemre de esa wo ye no ntimi nye enti future life repair food de obi amepe bi no ni na boa nkasa na stroke ancho na second one ameka ho asem na infections no me buy na bright gas infections go for funny serious infections ade e be ye no eti hu se infections ya ade edi ni panyenti no abrofo na na se aman no mko advanced countries no mesia no bebe bia o prostate bebe bia obi bisa se de enti no mo de ntimi nya cancers ana enku wo mo infections no mesia no Ghana had the infections be 25 na UTI na meka ho asem ne de ebi fe no gonorrhea ebi so anya syphilis ebi so anya white e beka white sa na edi ni panya ama asi ma bebre awo no kwan ama ma bebre nya cervical cancer be menya prostate cancer oba so to menya cervical cancer ni na ayemwa na ekope ebefro kidneys no wo aso achi o ya na atete nkuye ho kidneys no cells ni na no mo se no etimi se wani etimi se woni padua ni nyina etimi si wa wo kwan obo menstruate e ma o se ma ase me ni nyina infections na cause sa problem no enkanka ne nkwala na ko school no enkwala na ko school no omo infections papa etu yo ba tan oba ko school ba bisa no oyo be ma oyo ba obisa no se na chie ne ya na ne ya ana se bibi enkabo ne bi free no ho ba ana so hu se nsuo bi free ho ba ana bibi efifiri na se ba bisa no se be ma no so ne be ma phone bisa na no e na cause sa problem no fi se chepe cancer den hu be je betimanya prostate cancer if you say a core gland ni mo pe e be cells no na afi ebie pe chana cancer no wajim na third one American ho asempa ne ulcer ya dia se wuni ma ulcer ekrobia cancer nti ulcer osimenya ulcer obi aka ne keke so ulcer ya no ahwe e beka o liver e beka o kidneys e be ha wankasa afa beka so obi kura na ye o nti ulcer ya dia ye ho ne ma oba me jiri se ulcer na ye me na gallbladder stones ena ko ya me ko South Africa aduane ko pie bae it was a problem ni bi dia maka ne dia me nkanya bra ne yesesa waduane die ye ho de oba ye kiro nuane a ubegya dia emwa fi se niam me bra bedwa no so a ye dia emwa udidi abisa ho se dia na benya afrim ansa na wadidi enye sesa be wafu be ma your health is your own responsibility hwaduane die ye udidi ya onyare wa anyare so a ungu ena obeti yesi we ena onyare ena watwa ahwe wuntini mu nyina asisi so would future life repair food na esiesie entini ene nioma wonka se ene nioma meseka se Nyankopon na ye ni dompe obi antimi nye eti ko hospital a obi na obetima ye dompe ho adwuma ma eti sam resha asie di we bi we future life odache ena ye de ebo ho ban ma aboa me no mabusua enti ada na wotena ho abewubra Nyankopon frɛ wo Nyankopon frɛ obi a oba ya so ye be change waduane die ne asan kyerɛkyerɛ nuane a begya idi na so hoto a emeka nkyerɛ me se obesati meja waduane die na eno anwumre mani jepa obi frɛ me o se na omo brother bi o pressure 56 years the pressure na kosora nyame adon ba yetuetu anuane afi de o se ekofom dodo enti enekro no so be frɛ kro adi adanse ena meka kyerɛ se ogo hu ne doctor no start nyi ni free no so nkakra so oba ya so ye nkyerɛ se doctor ama waduru a obegya no na ye omu adwuma ye de no koka ho ma ne kofom if you asesa wonu ani die enti ekofom no doctor na be yi wa free so nkakra emfa wo peni nyai bra so ho so pese wonya pressure ana diabetes ama me no papa nya bia fese japade na bra ho ne asesa wadu ani die wo the future life anopa no di na nwumre we no di normal food a ye yi bia free mu yes obi aye fruit so no ankasa ansa eni se odidi aduane more than this ono kura se odi 80% di paduane hi aduane sa wo didi pia na wo ha wo liver no kidneys no kura obi obedi aduane se be certain obewu obe yare bra Nyankopon frɛ o so who articulator for 7,800 na kofa 2,000 na break engine no eti sa na woni padua na wo heart no no liver no kidneys no your engine da wo mu eti more na wo didi na ye adwuma sa no wo ma na bre ti obi wa ene no yare ekire no ye no de sha baifo nya hwe wan kasa na wo ye ho future life is so full alignment your main office no ho obi amra sa wo yare abra ne enchiro nuane obegya de nsoma ena sa wo wo sa sciatica problem na oba ye anka se exercise special exercise bi ye o amankofo bebre academ uhu obi anu academ anase wawu future life aduane a eboa ni padua no enti ntina ho nyare ansa and what the future life ye ma hodo be ka de ha o kire wa ba cholesterol ni na aduane ne de ma wo so problem or liver or kidneys e baduane ne de be ma wa e be yi sa owo se menya fatty liver me na nte kakra na mabre na me na ase atai first na nte sa e de na yesa o se metena se cha metena kama first na nte sa e de na te sa nuane na wudi ne nye brane ye mo a ye wo se be boa obi biara so full alignment in main office no na ya to apete o memu bi wo bo ase bi won kran e bi wo sunwane kononwo mampon ya to apete adum nyina bi wo na so ma da bra na ye moa ye wo se be boa bi se enuane die na ye di ne emmoa ye didi ye the balanced diet if say a life enuane ye see senas bibia wo de chefo ma fifi bia na enkwa wo enti dibi
phone numbers ne to jani enko
number say 0246 01 another 01 50 0246 01 another 01 50 bako see 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 87
87 80 90.
Future life aduane. To be your health is your own responsibility.
Okay, mami kwa woman so na nana ya. Hello nana ya. Hello nana ya. Mr. Ya mo adwene mra ha mai why na. Ye do wo ato ahoma so. Hello nana ya. Nana ya otumenka. Hello nana ya. Hello otumenka.
Hello.
Oh. Me momo dina say yen sabe kana na ya na. Yemhwe. Nana ya otumenka. Aha. Na de ya tia de say minority ni majority nyina kwotena majority seat ho.
Minia pepe. Se ya uwe chamber ni mo e wo dom. International Conference Center.
Sompa FM.
Edom kuma ni edom kase ni nyina akotena speaker nsani faso. First Usha ube unse honorable Frankana Dombre, followed by honorable Habib Talon MP, followed by the then minority leader honorable Atoforsen and honorable Emmanuel Amakufibua. And I members meaning I say, Kakano, my banner dear. Woman in our park was not speak and send me for society will be in who said nay, or no Elokita majority. Oh my God, I'm not sure with them. Now, Maria hoping. So, dear, an opinion, something your money on me, research of parliament, or better not to say yes, I will say, no, me and Fadia Nawaba. Now, yes,
Beba Jones, Emma say.
I'm about to because he has said your money cost one million research speaker that you have at Nasa and no carrying that. Because for me, will be a better than Martino.
Yes, Sompa.
I'm many and Fadia Nawaba.
The amount of things are about 3 o'clock. Let's say, under normal circumstances, I said by 10 no about me boy.
I will say element Nasa and upon no DD. Nancy, I have said your money. Yeah, so I put on a better for you, because he said, I'm not probably no leadership community. I was not a gen. I do my baby tire, and a panic on the again. What we are doing with this prayer majority now, we can buy the net or bed bread. Now we are hoping that the women do not speak of. Because I can only be a
Sompa FM.
Yes, I speak about you to the palace or one neck. Not the house in the bill, not empty, no Korean conquer campaign. The good December, Mayaba, not Lydia budget and all my once, or my Beato, and your idea for any million of young in one.
Okay. Nana, I just said both majority and majority. Obia majority. And you can speak and send the fashion or PP and penny 40 and this penny 40
Kwakwa,
let's say.
Maybe I will call.
Mommy,
say Ghana democracy. How?
And someone will discuss one of our buy.
Now, you're the other two names on Subuai.
Nah, I'd be at the other two and Nuba.
Then I'm the go to the name of Wabua.
You can't be check.
You can't be check. As you see, the emotion on TV, so parliamentarians, no any media, a press corner, so rem. Now, will be a remoa on Pananin Chrebia. On the niche a year 137 no. Better mammy. 137 seats no. I double Quaquaba, let's say. Maybe I will call. Quaco Mammy Tio, Kakra on this issue now, Tansus Nafi and Doctor Nafi, and now Robert Sabbath Nasina, Parliament. Let's see how they're moving. What was that? Obia deserted seat, no.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm minority, you know.
And a hand munyina no. Na ebro 137 omo aka no minim so omo begire gina ho a. because 137 ni nya ye mape aha ni nyina da ehun so obi ni nam ho am this ni ba ko ni nam ho bo mu nyina obi etra ha ena obi asusu nkontokwa
ntokwa nde se beba
eti seat na MVP ni bi fi say any seat no
ehoye ma
ono ba be ka cho say sorry free the seat
so ono ntokwa no beba
ono so be ka cho say enye u seat ehon na dia Greek ni beba no mami ntio
megidi se de make no the issue no mu nchechemu pa honorable chairmansa ewonim de o
yeah honorable yeah hwe na nim pa
my friends na ma ekoso nyina no ese Ghana for duru ba bia yinu eho ewa ba to no 2020 no because na Ghana for no duru ba bia say na ye nkrofo no ayeko parliament no both sides bi aye ne ma bia ma nkrofo adwa eno ti sa da ye nto aba ma kufu ado ne ntuntia na MP a ogina ye nto mama hama ne ntuntia na MP na kwa skirt and blouse kufu ado winning with 500,000 nyina no and to me am a comfortable lead in parliament yeah to sa aba including MP sa MPP for da bro su ko fa bi ko tra parliament e ko to ba speaker o mo ko to ba tia Michael Kwe asubo aye gba ide o mo pa na ye o mo dia subo we ne kase pa sa ni pa kro ba ku mienu bi o mo ko ye sa de no my friend say so
mo aba no mo twe
o mo na mo de be dru ba bia ye dru because speaker bagben onye obi a oye neutral in thinking feel say hu no politics no onye obi oye no nationalist when the assembly ba ka say onye ndc ni and it is aba na MPP ni wokoto no na akoto say the to me command DC there was nothing like say o ko fa bagben bia betra na be neutral then now person see and AC ye ko 2024 elections me de ade ba ko na mesre campaign messages a ekonyina Ghana for mutie asanteman ena mekasa ewa ha minim se mo station se ko Ghana baabia wo bia de bia asanteman enya infrastructure de bia enya no MPP mu bia bi wo baabia because aban we ni aban a on fa policy ma mekase me kwa shase wo baabia na makowi wo baabia daache enu ntibra former president Mills ba power ko fa capitation e ba Ashanti region so they ba behwe health insurance so and the reason was that Ashanti region kwana dey hospital health facilities no mu wi abaisika health insurance and unti ma capitation wa ha ya dey capitation be na asechire say wo ko register hospital say micro mampon and na meten ma register say ho na me pese me ko hospital na dey kura me card so am health insurance card entimi fa me ko hospital wo boase me busa asa na brand DC fo chichim na ye papa na me busa asa de ben na ifisi ye wo me Rollins time ye wo me be sin no NDC fo ye papa o be sha say free opposition for stronghold da no munye bi da it was only capitation and no more dey back Ghana o say ye papa and so man fan come on stronghold on the bar sentiment the better ye it took Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo so ba ye no dwene ho no yi capitation for na nyina ne Ghana for
right after 3 months
and until Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne Nanado amamu mabu no ade bi o ma che bi obi anya bi mesre and to aba ma Bawumia ne nkoto aba ntia MP no because of ne mfumso kakra bi campaign aye me ubusa me personally ya MPs me obi hu problem ya candidates me obi hu problem the way kra omo campaign omo ntrom ho nye ne ye ba ne nyina achi no say pese Bawumia toa Akufo-Addo free education so me da me kan mo kwan ye wa hai aye ene de ye ne sa no bi afren say sa na beko ba say de Akufo ja so full light to ho a tu Akufo-Addo to extended beyond Boakye no se Bawumia ma mom nyamadwene se kwan no obi beto aso se de yadwene because sika no yentua ma contractors ni miye abanya sika ena odi bi ko yemfa nko yewe yemfa nko so am interchange ho sika pa aban ko pay na maaye but mpanifo tran se president ba no ahye no peso ye adwuma no so mo divert sika ni bi free ba bi ko hye ba bi me start so am interchange enso mo obi anya na dwene se MPP ni ha so am interchange no obi ba beto aso mama kasa ono obi na timantam ye kwan ye asfati ba wa hunzo ne de no ye do ni fie be no so koto aba mahama ba beto aso eno ntidie ye nya ne na efrin se ye papa no oman obi amwaye na ye nto aba MPP presidential candidate ni ye parliamentary candidates no china se pese ye free education mun sisamu bi de papa bi aba o ma nya do mo ye no parliament na no me ko campaign wo Ahafo Southeast edu jama one of nkura shase ni bi abeswa na yekoye na ma MPP fo aye no mo na ni bi kase bi mi hu dwede me obaba akose ni sister ona ne tifie obi nua pa ona o GNDC fo campaign abo na boso abeswa na saa ne sister na ba mienu akọ free education and this for say anya no wakobi ena ono a sister ono anso na chiribo se ono so ne baba ako akọ free education na NDC ni no a wo ye campaign ne baba third one I say so akọ free education o JSS no ka akra be JSS next year which means say nya 2024 na say akra
2025
oba ne campaign na wo ye no krom ho Mahama ni nyina na botae na say Mahama be the president nanso oba no suru say Mahama bo betwa free education anu nti ne ba na say o three exams next year no ye akra na betwa form 2 sa akra no kwa secondary school this year kufu adoma na secondary school na say Mahama betwa next year na affect and this organizer ono ne ba ne de o forso de nevram no we say Mahama betimi atwam and these are the people am da so nam e bon to Mahama say Mahama be the president. I don't be the mesre parliament ne de e ho tete ho kakra bi abato pa sunsu aso ne mpuntu a ye nyina ye hu ne kakra na na do danko akufu ado be ma be ye bi ontumi nyine nyina nsi enti ye ka so bi anya bi obi so ba bi a ne kona e bi ade a no hwehwe na onyaye no man ye se e bi hwe numa na auto aben Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi ya ba bi a chechire ne ma we nyina ro ka ho bi ne ma ne nyina trimu pon bebre ne nim de ka ho ye ba sire se Mahama inti ni kwa say Ghana for higher one say obo opposition now you have the luxury to think aban adwuma ni bi now so until the answer share them now here problems now ma solutions 8 years he has been lazy in thinking and until be see now say opposition leader or put to me 8 years in opposition onya message e can Ghana for akoma kire say be wa try them adwene solution oba abede na to galam say as me ba me first stakeholders meeting na stakeholders meeting there Ghana ni be na nyina e kwotona dem so fa na adwene yem fa adwene man ko bu man and the chair won't mean what during 8 years the problem was there before we went to opposition a day solution at the bus will be dry and to feel to me now now disappointed and any day and until you solution be
okay thank you
you know baby you know an MPP no one
ata mami tell na many doctor to change come here train honorable chairman Zabunsu ni
na to say doctor I video no doctor Dano major number omucha video e me ko TV so no be share me o se an me share TV so na age doctor na number na moye
education number cho ugina hanom na ye ge number o ga chem say fa me ho sa number na wo je no na some na mka so mo fanto so o ko ji doctor number wo here o ko ji no orgasm ho
me make orgasm
na doctor pacho enye orgasm education ai o se wo grade we a master of orgasm education
I didn't say what na idea no orgasm
na pacho doctor da no dia na be kai wo de wada hold on doctor dia na be kai enkomo be na edi orgasm and also wa adwunkire orgasm na akwa ye master
me say be master
hey
master of day
ozu wa input yes etu betim kwa address no better
man kasa doctor do ya me say be better
adamogu wa we tell parliament atahwe de ekoso
I the pa say na expect and run say be sha say chaos say be chaotic and it's on its way to being chaotic and wing commander Frederick Barr retired new release or the buy and in your man dey go akwam say na be ya bibia be konkan another prayer era chimba ho earlier than everyone thought na Kwame Agboja member of parliament for Adaklu na no dem den and na Kwambe so na another prayer for Subira ho it's building up to chaos say it's building up to chaos na I mean send ya kwa kan no sense mesi of parliament na obi obechiro mu a honorable chairman Sabonsu na ntimi e manage send them trust ye td the only
fa ben
ma e cost we
fa ben ho no
because there's a very distinguished parliamentary service now they were building now over the years nipa bi omo ba ho nche ne omo no misconduct kakra bi no se be say na nyina ibeti bi na ye hu nyoma e koso and especially the ramifications for our democracy and the body politics of Ghana going.
All right. Doctor, mami no ni ko ba answer na mami ma honorable chairman Sabonsu. Honorable, now mpom to say.
Yami adumo.
Bibi aboko.
Say microphone no Mohammed say very uncharacteristic of me do halate.
Anya she. Omo ha opa ho. Obi abeso ho. O fa akwadwo kakra na.
Me ni kasa
on phone. Ofia na be fa.
Pure FM akra everybody.
Obia na se nya se obia na e ha wo. adwuma ene se ne wa ye ne mrahye bedwa ene bebre su se na honorable wai. The very question everybody is asking.
Absolutely.
Was it necessary? I'll come there for the new patriotic party to do that house coup they did.
Or it's okay nim dia kwantre.
Nim dia kwantre.
No nti na obi ekowe.
Adentina penifo our parliament ahodo nyina obi afre no. Every person is trying to reach. Minim say the phone say as I get to one am person be start the discussion obi have this table no akra. Thank you very much. Yeah to every let you. My any doctor chichi come out here one na pe yemra na ne. Yemomrem. And Ghana for nyina ye hwehwere. Could we have avoided this? Now who caused some? A Supreme Court and Speaker. A Mrasebejafo no. Omo file independent. A Siama. Wako me ya peja nsa. Now who caused some? Emrana say standing orders say why no ready for? You be share no na ya share and some ba ko mienu bi so aka ho. Baby akogina dey. No po so Parliament more platform no. The speaker, the leader of Parliament is here. On your friend Hall of Wisdom when it comes to parliamentary proceedings. Wadakra na Madam Busan say honorable. And patch standing order 116 over catches this year. Mami Tiwa no pay doctor.
First number to them for na. Fancha MOBA work on that.
And you twa yes kwakwa yi no so.
Na Mr. Sir.
Okay. Kwakwa favorite topic.
Honorable anope ho my neighbor no. I say tension be workroom too much.
Yes.
Traffic offer me no be na me wono me branch be 5 hours na me tumadura. For I say if you my be for nti wona baba me say monka nyema bi abema akoma ba fom na obi akoma to ne yem go Ghana de me de bi me ka say ade ba ko a ema o ma wo mu ye de e ya somdwa ye wo ko abroche unia pa no te fie good morning no dimikesa ho akọ onfa ho kra ba ha say be gyan wodi nkomo udi o ka na ekonko na bia na kakra bo so be na modo ne tana ma wo nti say adwobre wo hono no nse hono na ne ye baby animal nya sase ban hwe ya na etase ne ba
akotrege
na fe
kanya mitumi ntia ma
yes mon come down akoma no na so no ma ya
ese ba be nkwa hwe obeba 3
okay
we ran team no sister the near secret because leadership was so muko shia no mo hwe de a business of the day wo mu nyanko obi asu so sorry see to ba akotra so wo mu nyina akotra ayi ba be nsani fa so hey
adwobre ma adwobre
and okare be ba abra obi be ka say we am seat sorry
adwobre
so on sorry
adwobre
mami tell doctor
adwobre na
and you try and come on
the oyo bia na the was so team at back ma akoma ba fom no and orgasm na last week started
kwakwa topic
so kai say bibi wo hono ma ma nipadua onya de bia bibia no nsa
last week
wo enu akono
e call say
so say we know also by na yes I need that
auntie
for some reasons it's your do phone no do 10 bia so now so that there from 12 o'clock no do phone no and yes
as na jo 12
yeah and na man for person we mojima
no course na
yes doctor they now can am me yire me call ho no me kra ni ka hye na odeda ho ne ho kan pam me oh course e ba ne enyema you say okay so utiri na 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 crowd win da bi but they can say na last week e kan how tie ne de ne we ni nyina no nipa ne bi won ma genuinely more problems and am mu nya sa ade ne bi because 25% of married women ma mo aware o ha mo nchemu aduenu enum and omu nya sa ade ne bi da awo ma ware no
okay
if you are seeing na ma 10% e ha omu nya orgasm ne bi eda so hana bi won ma na ya de bi shachiri some underlying condition bi ama onya sa wa ha no
okay
so wo o ha bi asa number 0277
00
1234
1234
0277
00 1234
my hear mad no first number next week na hear na ma be man so because I know with him so be ma the once I benya calculation no when ya orgasm but then tisa oba bia nso oba oba hymen ɛwɔ nase de kyerɛ sɛ ɔbaa wei ɔyɛ babunu a sɛ bi wohu bɛma da saa deɛ no ɛte a ɛwɔ sɛ mpirapiri no ana mogya kakraba ɛna ɔbaa a ɔde ne ho ama akora no ɛyɛ na esuro bi wɔ hɔ sɛ saa deɛ no ɛbɛte a because ɛyaw ebi di akyire nti ɔbaa biara the first sex ɛyɛ ɔhyɛ so
te sɛ bɛrima fɔ so no
yes sɛ ɛrepu no
tetefoɔ no so paa deɛ tete mmeranteɛ no a yɛnyini no
yes
amanfoɔ repu nkurɔfoɔ kɔna adwene no yɛ sɛ ɔbaa no wamfɔ so no a ɔmpene
ɛna
bebree
ɔyɛ wie kora ɔbaa no ɔntumi nka
ɔkɛka kyerɛ hwan that time no wakɔ sɛ I said there was a stigma
yes.
and she said ne ya ɔbaa bi bɛtumi akɔ sɛ warepu no no
yes na mmara no ɛndɛdi no
rato no mɔ na
that time no ɔyɛ a na sabi wọn anware wa.
wo bɛrima no kura wo ɔbaa no kura bɛka sɛ ɔyɛ akɔla bɔne.
o yɛ dɛn na
wokɔ pɛ deɛ wɔ hɔ.
yɛn yi wo ni yie tí ɔbaa bi a no first time sex no ɛkɔ yɛ ɔhyɛ so no.
ɛyɛ painful no.
yes ɛma ɔte ya obi di ya na sɛbi ne ho yɛ ekuro bebree no so wɔnyini wie na ɔware mpo a anytime a bɛrima bɛso ne mu bi ya no body no respond to the first pain na ɔte no ɛnyɛ sisi attach na ɛkɔ so.
okay.
And fear now I want to know from the onset. So anytime there's a touch and I be also they need to sex PR no cancer pain no. Or cancer pain now the body will not respond to the independent BR. In that process no, the man once I would the corner band be force one away. But who says no, there's no way of bringing orgasm.
When you think
I just said commodity because so near psyche nipa no near fear no any who no any yaw no. Near the adeno, I orgasm no, a ship on it. You know,
psychological.
Yes, and yet drubia. Oh, yeah, no, we want all the Obana Bana, man, and Rabema Sabina, oh, yeah, dear. Once I said, one we are in more, there's no way anybody may respond to Sanya man.
Okay.
The man is one more dryness. Are there a sex in your okay pa for both sexes no year? Sabi, Obaho. Be your wet that's an home before and that penetration no kama fresh no benyan ye all the nerves better fresh no then better transfer to the brain other ways no na so baby wo na akọ ne empathy fi now ointment is wo or cream is wo or baby oil is wo no mo a or problem with wetness no there's a hormone a my year about it mean as no anytime obefa lawyer bia before penetration no nso e mo ba nya sa atika no so ono yire wo ho
yes abay artificial
yes ono yire wo ho na so wo ye no die kra sabi no ho emfo to the point say because one man ono kru nya ntiase no mo akoto sa na bi si wono before they start we say no now mo use one
so the natural instinct no emma enti no wo ye ne dan a wo nya atika
very good so ba wo ye die wo pa no 100 hours there's no a time come about na wo pra no because oil no dryer friction and dryness na wo pra no once I go for sa yes wo na wo ji we no ba no de depression ntina broni bi bia na ye no wo movies are how abrofo e ansa no machia wo no ba ko sisi a adekọ na ko hono mo so avoid okoro adam na do so ekopepe no so no negotia abufo no ho so ho adekọ na ha na ono ko ya no e wo ho
wo nya tenkam
yes manu so ba Africa no ma oba de say o you obedient to you ukunu and I found section no bibia oba de som ne kunu
or the some the responsibility bro once in a go
yes
it is a ontokakra or na psychically and no permit honorable bro
oh and no kwada no if I so okay fine or service to the husband you know and no matter what no ombre no wase na on nsia
the friend bank da hobo
and one no
but the whole team no help yeah the obey ne ko
very good
was say na me yin kaka no
you know anigie and the shas and sana ka act no aba ya nya no sa the woman a man no e dey na complicated power
yeah
so and sana the kan ho biom ye sa foreplay na honum ka think mo no ho dey mi crop on ba they don't onye da
komoni nkosuso ne
say foreplay komoni be ma bebrebe no especially malam for no mo a omo fe so mo na tunya me ye no aba no aso there's no way haram and you rather them na pepe no be agree talk to their wives they are enjoying some pain our day and it be any as we watch someone back miensa and now so baby so me ready na nje obo akahoma or you chop money or give bibia ntino offense oba na okay the slightest of a chance of oba menya no most na all the kochiti so no another way say the last point America oba when you multiple sex partners before marriage you say a kwanya at great abo na tiku efaso and I say a kwanya tiku abo.
Somebody has said if you have a key that can open many locks,
yes,
it is known as the master key. But when you have a lock that many keys can open, it's a useless lock.
Oh yes.
Because cars you want to say keys be break to be and car no pass when so. But key to me be a yibe no.
Master key.
Yes, master key. As a member, master key.
So back we have multiple sex partners. No we because say manhood no size na vary according to nipa na and we have just here ketua hono tintin sa na fe akwa settle down with
somebody
men previous ones no ba bia
samaba
and you know on the
that's what fun is
yes fun is e come for do tambia oba no bia 30 years no say kemo ni ba nware ya fun say oche as a time we atwam it is oba prayer na de on pekra no na fa waje otu afa na ebia na hono so sa de kan ya bia be ma no ono de open no enu sa ma no and afa na sa it only 100 years for others odono ni ho on peno there's no way say on this year sa de bedum it is sometimes be fake ya but obra na ojai which of bana as I complaining me here for the men sia on ya hwe da team sa wi na toriko first nya na nati but no Odyssey and nay and Wasasia oyi actually. Finally, infections on mine.
Infection.
Makwa Krabia say, I'm say, or bar and sue and peno. I walk around to me go. On your depua ha.
When you're
depua, yes.
Untumingo. I don't know a conception and I say a ideology and I say a information I said.
Remember, be a munya information free. So fear na complain so when you discharge na say kikano ensu guno
say normal
I no be what my war
sheesh
enti be sha no ho a hwe ensu ekọ bibia mu a ade kono lusi na elasticity na ho de no e ma de no ko mu bia jage ti say obanya infection especially candidiasis na say tell ho a cha aside said this animal about ho nyina
sama na si bie
and one thing a man so yes oba no say papa won ho so ko be man chan
already
yes
the mind
on one sana bi no bunu for ansa na be ma no gaba no e dey say onipa no wie so ko na wan fene bi ma zero afi mentally no adwin to section no tem bia
deranged
it wo ye die sana mo we say on wo nya bi da
okay
it was so sana ma no nya akoso
okay
na hu a o man ye no nya na ye no modru so no ke bo ma kasa ya saki nipa no ye hu bi afiri tim ye de debi asho ya tie nyina bubufu o won timi sometimes when you hope bia ba ka say we will feel me kwa be make my action bia na what na
cool it down
yes this hard then they be share nipa tim na mo na nya de for towards section the body will respond na orgasm no what me na
so ya next week me ma de no so be ba but then no doctor de be see her na numbers no there 0277 001234 Timiye 0277 001234 Dr. Biene Prato ho de how adwene bia titiri ma no mom frɛ no enne day nyina ho ma mo se wo so kɔ atwema Techiman the hospital also akohu no because awade mu de di mu kase pa no oba ne be ma nhia mu eno no ni mu a ene gie ni mu a ye dan mu nyina akra no mani nye beduma bi na amuremu na ne ntokwa ne sane obetimi na obi ware after about 10-15 years kwala ne free omo ho ana omo jai enyama bebiri wo hono ma eboa nyame na hyehyeye enti ye kan ye kama ware fo nya mpra twensem enti se de be ya bibia be koso kama
njoma akra no ye wo dome na klagon na kuma se no se wo atwema tati ma kwala so we must have once a corner sword na oba so full cast and be hot and also in field but cast and be hot.
Okay.
We must cast and be hot na kadit ya pampas one number 0277
0277
00
00
1234
1234
0277
0277
00
00
1234
1234
WhatsApp line 0241
0241
36
73
49
0241 36 73 49 Allahu Sharifi Onyankopon ne yaresafo beda wase doctor that's ne ye be hwe mema no so de no leader ma mema wakwa ba bio na me musa se wompom te sen
nyame adom
bibia boko
nyame adom boko
okay ni akoso mra se be dwafie ma yenko ho edom na nipa dodo no pepe so mutie de won so be ka fa ho why nem from so no efiri no ne kofar ba ne say yes bibi the president na wo ho ene esi ye ewura Michael Kwetu anamon bi na babe agina sonso de etu anamon ene ni speaker ye MPP for ako Supreme Court according ex party injunction ama court rule said the anamon speaker 2 year no oni say to me no na ontumi mwanti ontwentwen san kopem say asem no am wo mbedie minority so omo de omuni ma ne so omo wo new majority emre bia ni wo no ma etimi stop speaker ne ade wada roma faye dosuko na yenhunu emra chebedwa fie anamo ekoso standing orders no ne constitution ne article 97 wa obi a kire ne diem no anope wada roma yentio
yo Omanhene me dase na me chia busuafo nso amotie senya woka no speaker wa say ni awoye no ebi esipen na wo hwe so de ye ana wo de kan ya asema wo kan ya enema mienu na esi na president na woka no mienu na esi ni mienu no ebobra the esi first no was say the speaker kweye no esiema anabo amakwesiema oye independent member of parliament na oye second deputy speaker no ono ena ne ho basem yebeto 2020 elections no ena speaker kwe say ni party no wo mu MPP actual crata dia breno say omo eyi ne die fi party no nti speaker kwe no adwen se party no say yi afiri mu dia party no so betri na ogina ye de ba mra hye bedwafi the party no so mo yi mu afiri mu dia ene na untimi ntra parliament bio na speaker kwe emma ono na adwen say in that case no he ceases to be a member of parliament and there is a vacancy samre no na me majority leader na sana ye be kwasetna no fa be kwasetna bia ye hia e was speaker ni holding room I friend of presiding meeting nti ye call ye no a speaker dey asem ne ba ye no me ka chere nsem ne na nyadwen na me majority leader me ka chere nsem ne na nyadwen o na mo pese utu no na incidentally speaker Bagbin na sam na we second deputy speaker enemy yadwen say no the speaker kwe ye no na sa na constitution na kire and here me ngwa say ene speaker Bagbin asem na speaker ye na so wona na nya adwen no and we ko use say president so ono so dia ya de kro no is it a principled position na me can say ene ma no mienu na esi the di kan esi ye no ye Honorable Moses Mabengba 1993 ena ono assembly parliament zaman for bekaya 1992 konkomafo ne na number fo nyantokwa bi ntokwa a munyaye no enenemu a na eto aba 1992 and they call parliament. Sa parliament and MPP for Yankubi. 1993, Omoko Hono. And to Kwana Assembly PA Parliament. Emma Alaji BA Fuseni. No Tamale Central. O Kasafa Hono ye whip Emma NDC. O Kasafa Sasem. O Kase. Se konkoma fo no o man yae ne o moye se one na number fo no prayers as se mo a o mo da gomba fo no they will come and flush out konkoma fo no it's say konkoma fo no o so mo ya hoho
ti o masase
ele ti o masase so ti da gomba fo asase so da gomba fo no be flush o mo kunkum o mo apam mo fi asase no so enna ma Moses Mabimba no ye MP for Saboba Moses we konkombani ono so sorry say MA said no BF said no akasama konkoma dagoma for dey ono so be kasama konkoma for and o kan parliament say wo mo konkoma for in fact wa chase say obi anu ha ofi Nyankopon eso ba no ofi soro ba no
odi asase
bai nti omo nyina no ahoho nyame asase so nti say ono say omekum wo mo apam wo mafi asase so a wo ka kire wo mo say na gomafo no say konkomafo te say Israel fo wo de mo nsaka ba ko a yeso de yensa bekadu mukum ba ko e bekum du mukum du a e bekum wo ha mukum wo ha e bekum mo musum nipa na pem that is what Moses Mabimba said ena o mo ka say the Moses aka no ontwensan no so ontwensan ne entwensan gira isan say the Honorable Alaji BA Fuseni Kasano. And yet BA Fuseni or Honey,
the other one.
Penny Bia no yet Tamale Secondary School headmaster for a long time. Obey Director of Education our Northern Region, the then Northern Region. On any NDC first MP our Tamale Central. Wana Wakasa Seven. And the Moses man is our responsible. No Makason Pacha no say yes, Ubunisa or penny. Na ono wakasama dagomba fo ono so kasama konkoma fo ise ono watwena asem no sign dia so betwene dia sign wan twan sign dia so gina be bi ogina ye he wo mra se be dwefie ho nti omo sorry no party ni kuhia ona asem no na esi no so ndisi fo ana omo se Moses na ye ne mo ho sem yedi kan Alaji BF sei ni no o se ne pani bebre nko beti ma kire na de kura wo secondary school o se ne pani bebre etoso bi ewu no party no mu no we penny chair no in the sense that we whip Moses no so ye backbencher nti se wono Moses ni begina ho na yi sa no Moses anye ni yi se Moses se won twensa ndia party ni ko share say omo expelling Moses from the party and omre krata bre justice anan
then speaker na ansa na justice anan mabeka ehwo asem no and obeda samoa na ya attorney general okay
and a Dr. Beda Samuel be see as a musa debi. Article 97 non chesa. I am against some bit making if parliament dear, Mundin in parliament. That must have more in party.
Attorney General say NDC ni Beda Samuel.
Was a Muslim in a free party no more, make every party no more. Name some of some be Mugina sword in a year in a free parliament there. Constitution in Mount Quaima on Timesa. Because Constitution no say. Just say Onwa no resign from the party under his hand. And I'm betting yes sir. On one case I resign from the party. On sure let be am as well resign from the party. And you want me resign no as it were. What you say? No better somewhere.
Na say wo hwe Michael Kwe die no so a na nke wo say siama na resign.
Precisely. But na me catch there Professor Okwe say I disagree with him.
Eso so ordini to me ko ye.
No ordini to me ko kasai. Enunti sa ne see na assembly see no again Speaker Bagbin no ye chairman of Legal, Constitutional and Parliamentary Affairs Committee of Parliament only Dr. Beda Samuel ya adwene say party ni ntimi nyi obi so omo so mayina di no party ni mu a
enti gbengba no dia na to no
enti untimi nyina so meka say wapam na fi parliament Bagbin agreed with Dr. Beda Samuel and there na asesa and that is why Okay, I can't say, oh, yeah, me because I disagree with him. But being agreed with me, say, what am I arguing? Say, Professor Queen, to me, yes, sir. What has changed? And all yes, I did. I feel society, okay, when you said you disagreed with Okwe, but yɛn fɛ no nto nkyɛn Omanhene, their constitution no ka no ɛda adi pefee ɔse sɛ woyɛ member of parliament na sɛ wo resign from party no a sɛnea honorable Kofi Asante sɛ bɛkae a Amanfi West ɔyɛ bi ɔno deɛ ɔtwerɛ letter de command speaker sɛ ɔyɛ NDC ni asɛ ne si party no sɛ wɔyi ne ho afi NDC ni ɛfi na ɛkorɔ ɔnyɛ NDC ni bio ɔkyɛ sɛ resign from NDC, he has resigned from parliament. And he nam so ekoye. Samre na alajete na speaker. But na alajete e home fa no. Nti na Freddie Blay na tia akonyamu. E na Freddie Blay be ready letter no. Nti ready letter no e na e ma clerk e cho letter commissioner. Ni gina so koye by election e wo Amenfi West.
Okay.
Professor Woyoseni ono okogina NDC ticket or Tamale Central and your trap man ba parliament or you say ni so no ye MPP ni dada and SMBC and then hobufu e ma no ekogina NDC what no kodom NDC o ba parliament no hu se dey bi NDC no akodom no embo no sabi ono ani conscience was not sitting well with him say ba koyesa do ba parliament no emu no in fact omokura no makoye no the almost spokesperson on agriculture. That is the ranking member on the Agri Committee. Also free ho. Nti oye statement of parliament say onunu ho say okoye no. Nti obeso ordinary ho kodom ekuo no free mu anzana or ko NDC no, which is MPP. And o cross carpet na esayen finfin no. A separate the minority from the majority no cross carpet no ba yen side. Symbolically to show say we free haba embrano constitution is say we yes okonya no ebe ye dampai ena ye gira so speaker ni gira so chokrata ma clerk chokrata ko ma letter commissioner na ekoye by election sa by election ekoye no na produce anabo Fuseni Inusa ama Fuseni Inusa tra parliament akopem 2020 ya ono decide say onko bio awujai. So that is it. You know, in the two cases, I'm going to chokrata a statement of parliament. So we free hakwa. Now, in this particular case, no, I'm going to let him resign. His uncle will be unsure let him resign. And I almost say, one next parliament, a same was me independent candidate. Parliament for everybody there. Me nye contact review. I know the me jina MPP abeti and I'm the aba. What you say? And for the life of this parliament from January 2021
to 2024
January
6
January 2025 no dear me independent name next parliament dear me ba I will associate with MPP me jina MPP abetri and next parliament asem no worker in share no shall say from ne dear but next parliament also me ba me call see.
So it's an intent.
It's a declaration of intent. Does it amount to crossing carpet? In my view, no.
Now, H no can say if you're an independent candidate,
yes,
and you seek to join another party, it's in a nutshell say, I see I'm joining another party.
In what respect?
Says I would parliamentary candidate, Emma MPP, our formula. And no which you say.
No, or say, one can say if he's 6. One can say if he's 6.
Okay.
Or say if he was elected a member of parliament as an independent
candidate
and joins a political party.
And joins. Now I'm joining.
No.
He's now your candidate.
No. You see, don't read the constitution in bits and pieces.
Okay.
Obi, a party may decide to sponsor you. A party member. KE, Dr. Ndium. Ojana was a contest on the ticket of CPP. Yay, MPP for. They are trouble. He will be saying, you know, my. And I say, they be ono, unyai, or step down. MPP for no, yes, support. Yay, any panel support. No, ya adopt to Dr. Ndium.
But on the ticket of CPP,
ya adopt to Dr. Ndium. And he is supporting the manner. they did make Indium a friend say MPP member.
If you say no, a CPP.
Me say, did it make Indium an MPP member?
No.
And he said, me independent. That's a partner sponsor me. Does it make me a friend say an MPP member?
That the party sponsors you on the ticket of the party.
Hold it. Well, see, and joins if he was elected member of parliament as an independent candidate and joins a political party. I'm saying, say, no, and yet for the purpose of this parliament.
But the next
parliament.
Okay.
But if you want to be technical, some person is technical about it. Will be how does a person join a political party?
He writes to the party and asks.
Absolutely. Who submitted our application? Some person be a member. Near my card. What you have dues? Near my and they say what join a political party. Can you prove to me say a SEMA has done that?
Ebi mo say.
The speaker speak to that.
Ebi mo say.
Okay. Speaker, he didn't speak to that. Or say, we be electoral commission. Almost say
notice of poll.
Notice of poll.
Filing on the ticket.
Does it make him a member of MPP? Does it? So technical. Technical. You're wrong.
Okay.
Unless and until you prove to see. And that is why the process ni procedure now far so in coming to that determination also are totally wrong. Why? Haruna Dusu and I could tamani. Ena one way the rally. And also as my better than any Inti Benada. Say a parliamenter. Or file a petition and pray the speaker to give a proper interpretation to Article 97
G
and H. Say, and doesn't it amount to joining a different political party?
It will be Busasem.
What you say? Also, Bisa. Also, he's praying the speaker to give a proper interpretation. Interpretation of the Constitution is not within the preserve of the speaker. Interpretation of the Constitution is the Supreme Court. What you say? How now do you petition or the buyer? Or baby Sasasem? Speaker, untie you. You can't want some parliament. You can't want some parliament or the petition no bar. Your rules of procedure no. Your standing orders and says will be this will be the petition bar. A bar. Nipa kono the petition no because the petition could come from outside. Ebia it could be and I be how omo na the petition every speaker. Omo the bar yemra na say omo fanfa MPP so. Na MPP dey breast speaker. Emra so a speaker ma ya kan petition mu asem. Nipa na dey be say MPP na be kan ho asem of parliament. We are the speaker then refers the petition to the petitions committee.
So there's a petitions committee.
There's a petitions committee. Untie Haruna Dusu. Am petitions committee? I don't know your ruling.
Honorable Mamenta say, Haruna one can't when we do a parliament.
Well, Debbie.
Then how?
I don't know who ruling.
Hey.
Haruna, yes, I'm call. Conclave na speaker cancer asem no sent Haruna the petition breno no into obehwe se na e be process petition eno achi ena ato forcing omo call ho ena ato forcing yes statement ho. What is the purpose of a statement? Statement no ye the information. Statements, you hear my information. Be assembly better ho. My constituency. You should bring him here to my constituency. Bridge be ho linking two communities. Bridge no. Ebu. Until me yes statement say asma better ni. Ama the minister for roads and transport. Onko hwe asem immediately.
Onye mama.
Enye bridge no mai. Yes two communities. One is cut from the other. Statement ni dey no. And I say, anybody tribute my constituency. Abia, Sabi, a decoching with free. I said, Nipano, yeah, prepare for who do you know account. And I say, Fourth Republic require constitution. Constitution of the Dimu power. Constitution of the age man would Dimu and a free. The body of my mouth, what to say, the petit tree with free. The ambassador be, I also know about whom would in power or may more obey ambassador. I dare coaching ya, why in the media. And tea or bohu de my man for at the statement to be for purposes of giving information. Information now, the man say they will born our bonachino. Who we are. Speak a bit me, I can say, okay, and yeah, my directive. That's not how they be. Minister for Foreign Affairs, and yeah, anything. The Enframe Minister for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador no, and once no. Yenti no not only because we be kind we in the parliament because we so Foreign Affairs Minister what can say the through you know we are appealing to the president say man street barrier.
Okay.
But yes, Bibisa. And I say kwana what's you say no ensure you the first am kwana nyina say no. Minister for road within 1 week we go fix the road.
Okay.
Statement no near eye no.
Okay.
And into the rules no say so be a statement that and it's a degenerating into debate.
To be making statement and this
comments they make you home.
Namadi akogu.
Yeah, they akogu. No statement in the history of Parliament.
And I call
the ruling. A crime speaker yet ruling. And the speaker kofa so two force and then or the man who ruling. Procedurally, he was wrong. Yeah, rules no man quite man ruling on the statement. Now, Mrs. Haruna Dusu, the answer now, statement, okay, ruling, and so they are. And no, you can't answer. The other now, ruling. You are putting something on nothing. There's nothing before us. So, okay, ruling. The statement is also there. Statement is Mauquay. You want on what account of the yes, sir? So, until I want to a hard drink a crack. I mean, until near AC, no, a needless. And then you know, make kind of say, Ubisio, lawyer Bisio, a friend marking, or Prenahon or the Assembly Supreme Court. How? Or Prenahon saying, a summer at to force a friend dia court Supreme Court, and they say, or say, Parliament in SMBC. Now, and some say, MPs 4 beer, me and Sawa. Majority caucus. Na baako minority caucus. And na mo a mo tuoni. Na opeso ohu o mo status. Say the declaration of intent no maye no. Does it amount to vacancy? Nti what constitutes vacancy no in respect of anamo a mo tuo no. And one will be Supreme Court say. Omo man interpretation. And who says that the wire waiting? After you marking the wire no, a right. And the Supreme Court no family. A month na send so cry. And the back being also akoye ni ruling. And Supreme Court say okay. And I'm saying no yeme enya interpretation yen simple near the abano. Wo hold your horses. The wire no. So we sinti ama we kwan ma we koye say no. We koye majority and then the money no. Hold your horses. Na yentie asem no ansa ntini say oman jante a speaker ruling no the implementation of the ruling oman jante omo de njasha to so no till now afei na omo be tie asem no ankasa emu no omo de omo interpretation aba on interpretation no ba menu ana asem lesi they have madwen kakra and they say you see speaker bai the speaker is a very experienced speaker but or an experienced member of parliament, I should say. What's a parliament? But controversies about parliament in a lot. Again, speaker and some are working. Say, Mobekaya, speaker bar first. The choose no man be a speaker. No, I have always been very, very, selective with Sahasana Mekane. The speaker was chosen, he was not elected by Parliament of the Speaker. I didn't tell me because you elect will be it's bad by numbers. Pick a number being a trouble man and a number being an antrouble man. He trouble here can you no. So ya can or more supposedly the motor abama a friend of you a trouble man baby you. The number being a support no. We didn't come there, Yamaho. ɛna Carlos bɛfa deɛ ne yɛastashe ɛde ama no don't forget to say okwe deɛ ne yɛde ama no yɛkan no ne yɛhu sɛ mmienu bi fɔ so aba ho yɛyi gu yɛ backbend deɛ no yɛankan deɛ de no bi kɔgyina baabi sɛ he was elected. If he was elected by what numbers? We chose him because baby kuduru yɛ no na enema bebree ahadwene. In fact, I spoke with Akufo-Addo. In fact, Akufo-Addo called me because some na foreign dignitaries bebree aba. And I make a chance and say, baby, I don't know any no. Ni yie ma wasi atu aba ne biu. And the president catch say he agrees with me. But I spoke to the president on a Bujina Post phone. And na okashe me say, "Anyahwe, babi, onyi ni se we ni babone." Anyahwe, yemfa ma no saa. Si atu aba ye bibia ho. Deputy speakers no. Normally, one deputy speaker is from the party
in power.
The party in power. But normally, no, the speaker is from the party in power. Yeah, the second deputy, part of the negotiation, was that the two deputy speakers should come from the majority caucus. That's how come we had from the same majority caucus.
Okay.
People don't know, and they also making comments are very ignorant comments. And the speaker himself often says that I was elected by what numbers? But the affair non tunche. You choose na the following week. No, because our parliament no, because say no. What you say we have a hung parliament. Omanhene, you can say hung parliament. A parliament. The two sides ni na ye pepepe. So it's divided right down the middle. Say 200 members no ha. 100. And a friend a hung parliament. In a hung parliament arrangement, there's no permanent majority leader. We have two leaders who are co-leaders. And the ones I say no, I say they are co-leaders. Mr. Speaker, so the one can say you are totally wrong. The following time when he made a statement, you are an experienced member of parliament. I think you just want to introduce confusion in the conduct of business in parliament. There's no hung parliament. I can't say it's no. And you see the consequences of a hung parliament, and they say they are co-leaders as you're saying. Now, in Tino, you don't have a permanent majority leader. And Tibia, sometimes the arrangement is that, and I'm saying, at the year split round right down the middle in Tino. We be a majority leader for 2 years. No minority leader, no. 2 years, no. After no, also be a majority leader. No majority, not a minority. Some of them decide, they say, okay, 4 years, obey 1 year. No, obey 1 year. If you work 1 year.
Shifting motivation.
Do you understand what you are saying? You are totally wrong. The caucuses determine we have +1. It's car of parliament challenging us and I feel as I didn't see. Rebecca, I said, "Didn't get your platform. You are the same things that they are co-leaders." You're not a member of parliament. You don't know what you are talking about. So that is it. And what she, Anna, assemble here. I just from them. One who speak in the conference, and saying, attention has been drawn to the fact that MPs be my parliament. Robo boni pe bidding. Pamiensa. It is some of my parliament. 15 days. My message. Now, me speaker, I'm on show me. Say they'll be absent. And I mean my homo kwai. Until they are absent for 15 days. Until me refer the conduct to the privileges committee. So I look for by. Emma Muntaka. Sorry, say the speaker here. We need to mean say on his own. No, a bed raises us and no cassa with their command.
Okay, so he's becoming a dictator.
No, that's us and no. Send you say no kind. I just have from myself the buyer speaker. A raises or the corona Muntaka. Sorry. Or parliament can't ask him. What you say? No, the command privileges committee. Article 97, and the speaker the age man. So what you are? Article 97, 1C, no, and will say a member of parliament shall vacate his seat in parliament if he is absent without the permission in writing of the speaker and is unable to offer a reasonable explanation to the parliamentary committee on privileges from 15 sittings of a meeting of parliament during any period of parliament any period that Parliament has been summoned to meet and continues to meet. I say he's unable to offer reasonable explanation to the committee.
Of privilege.
Because committee in any next one to cancer, baby. Say the entire one second speaker, or next speaker, or 15 days, oh my, you know. Or move far, and no, I don't know, you vacate your seat. Assembly see, and the speaker say, baby. Or no, dear. Committees of Parliament, you know, they act on behalf of Parliament. In committee, they are just all the report about my plenary, you know, you two answer. Constitution also on Kasa. And was say, so I went with him to Article 106. So Article 106. And so can Assembly say Assembly ba, say bill be, you consider bill be. Na say ye boch the ma committee bia. Let me read Article 106, clause 13. Or say, where it is determined by a committee of Parliament appointed for the purpose that a particular bill is of an urgent nature, the proceedings of the preceding clauses of this article, other than clause 1 of paragraph A of clause 2, shall not apply, and accordingly, the president shall give his assent to the bill on its presentation for assent. Or say, committee, a B, ya the baby banner, but you know, no more because I don't know, a put to present, and also a fan say, agent, and intended or say parliament, now, so I will say committee be intimate take a decision for Parliament. What of Article 103, Article 106, clause 13? Nyanongwa. So I hear Article 179. Omanhene, let me read Article 179 to you. Article 179, and so can be say, maybe I hear budget sorry, 177. Was this a budget now? Budget na ye no ya make provision for assembly because ni nim say assembly besi e bia owie na bia si so no ye ho agya hihye bia ba akohye kro bi ana say o de memfa nansan asema esi wo apiachi no say obide dynamite bi ko ba bi kan ko nya accident
that's right
no yeah budget no minimum sayade besi we didn't ever think. Inti say yenka ye wo holidays ye wo recess na se ne see finance minister with me dia se na koto finance committee anim na committee ni man kwan so we didn't plan for it na asem esi enso immediately o se ye pe asem no poma sibre o se be competent bi mo trem immediately so na fe start say ye chichiri kro foforo dia ma wo mo a the finance committee to be makwan so article 177 says there shall be paid into the contingency fund monies voted for the purpose by Parliament. And advances may be made from that fund, which are authorized by the committee responsible for financial measures in Parliament, whenever the committee is satisfied that there has arisen an urgent or unforeseen need for expenditure for which no other provision exists to meet the need. The honor committee, but so for Parliament, we determine. So, can say committee be able to decide for Parliament? Mr. Speaker, you're wrong. As I address for myself, no, Supreme Court to then Speaker Kroyana, I can say Deputy Speaker is to a benny. Emma Kofan Semba ya, a Siama Kroy, what your drum presiding as the Speaker. The speaker kind into my NDC force echo to share no so said na konya na otis on you try say konya ye manento aba speaker na cancer assembly court Supreme Court you break here and say the speaker was wrong na saying in Sambiaba private members bill LGBTQ bill private members akoye ye di koma president say one sign president so ade na mo de aba no em say article 108 na ho bom. I say, one need to say, and maybe a bay. Now, yet say, yet the year Juma. A bay I could first keep your mouth to Modi and I implement no. And it's a parliament. And I say, member of parliament, individual I be.
And a deba.
And a day a home a dream poba. Bill no ba. I mean, just if you present a catchy. Now, I send me BSc pain. 1998. Gender activist be. echo farm rebi by about say yenye emra to protect nkora and abeye ne friend the Children's Act.
Okay.
Nti because yenye akọ parliament for be frey na me committee on youth and sports. My friends are committee ne dey call Secaps Hotel. Secaps Hotel we be anewo. Newo tetekwashe interchange ho. Dey interchange ne ebugu ye.
Okay.
Omo dey call ho. Ne ko chechire mu say we all thought it was good. But then adwenkyere eba say no. Article 108 they say, so we implemented this major law. How can form man sika now dey? But Samoa Kroya was Attorney General and we see Musa Debi. The omo offense Article 108. Nti ono as Attorney General be Jim Rado dia come executive. Na every executive no haba. Again, Backbane was the chairman of the Legal, Constitutional and Parliamentary Affairs Committee. Emma one of the Samoa Yabi and executive no ever Jim Rado the bar parliament near ye. LGBTD the same thing. Nti me catch and say, you see, the same thing they see. The speaker, my any executive no nkasa na Attorney General me onu process no. Anya say be ye no. Say court for interpretation be fast maba. Also pressure aba no so nti yenye. No consult lawyers be mo se de ye no enye hwe. Any ye ya they come out president say no. One person be offend Article 108. Nti ne yenkope interpretation from the Supreme Court. Asem no akọ Supreme Court nya emuai na nya sa de no nko o say at the same time ye mre bi e no anti witchcraft.
Yes.
Ukobo obi be yi a ye de ukotum na ye de kotu afiase ye de kotu afiase a de de ma no man etu aka wo esu a obenom oman electricity a obe use oman wo yare a oman ne be bo ho ka de oman sika ne be hwe wo nti Article 108 no so say me enye sa. And Omanhene, again, let me read Article 108. Or say, Parliament shall not, unless the bill is introduced or the motion is introduced by or on behalf of the President, proceed upon a bill, including an amendment to a bill, that in the opinion of person presiding makes a provision for the following. The imposition of a charge on the consolidated fund. We who can impose a charge on the consolidated fund. Or the payment, issue or withdrawal from the consolidated fund or any other public funds of Ghana of any monies not charged on the consolidated fund or any increase in the amount of that payment, issue or withdrawal. So often say, oh, say president, no, when we hear more or say, what do I make a count? Obey increase. Scanner de ma woman. They say a new thing, and as I don't know what that, and I'll leave you count. So on account of the way you didn't know, yet. If the president catch I drew his attention. And I'm a day over some more than who yes, a should you a man and Tierney. Speak on the man, Yagini. And I could say, oh, a honor. And then you begin to let me also add this one. What can I say? 2022. Yeah, budget. Yeah, debate on the principle. We in the speakers over Tomaba. I'm catching the speaker. Article 179 or say at this stage, the Amudia bring information to Parliament. The information Amudia bring here to Haba. Say we are rejecting the information or what? What I say? Omanhene. Let me read Article 179. Article 179 no a KBB. Say a year budget or say the estimates of the expenditure of all public offices and public operations other than those set up as commercial ventures shall be classified under so and so and so shall, in respect of payments charged on the consolidated fund, be laid before Parliament for the information of members of Parliament. And Article 179, or the budget never. Now, the year first, say commerce no make you on debate na you know. Article 179
to swaba
2B no say yen to swaba is only for information. But no crane say yen nim ntino ye wi say to swaba. Na me draw attention say what you have been doing in the past is wrong. This is what the constitution says. And also about say convention and practice yen say convention and practice cannot take the place of the constitutional clear constitutional provision. Speaker insists say yen to aba. And na me hu say The person way no. Some men na majority leader, majority caucus no. Anybody me and more to kwa no mai. And you know person to abano digu ye nima se. E ho na meka say nkrofo so obi ansori fi parliament. No obi ansori fi parliament. The sorry fi parliament is an NDC for no money na mpo wo ho a. Come here 137. But we later got to know say one of them was not in parliament. But I find say no 137 ni na wo ho a. Constitution no in article 104 say ye can sem bia wo mrahye badwa fie na se wo se esi gina ya ye to so aba ye beto aba no a wo se anye bie kura no half of the MPs the total number of MPs no so article 104 say except as otherwise provided in this constitution matters in parliament shall be determined by the votes of the majority of members present and voting with at least half of all the members of parliament present. Half of 275 and 137 and 137. Half no ye at least 138. The everywhere that's a 137. What do you use 137 in front of aba? But if free no back me more to aba. And I was rejected budget. It was a Friday. We no call Dubai. And you call Parliament Tuesday. You call Parliament Tuesday, no. We had all our numbers. We ignored what they had done. Because so a motion of rescission. Like I said, what you are saying to say what take decision now also could yes in change. As far as we were concerned, there was no decision. You can't use less than one half to take a decision. But the speaker presided over that. And you go to go here. And you do 138 no a trouble. Say budget no. And it lasted for working days. It lasted for less than 48 hours. And you two as some mokano the speaker was presiding. And you ask yourself whether say near yenu no yeno speaker yeno create confusion in parliament what shada and I say onim and oyesa.
All right. Remember on chain the parliamentary service the crate bia abonten sisia I must say treat with disdain attempt to smear the speaker of parliament. Dr. Lawrence Quartin Ashia, Deputy Director Media Relations, and Nesasha said the attention of Parliament has been drawn to a video circulating on social media insinuating that the Speaker of Parliament, Right Honourable Alban Sumani Kingsford Babin, has been invited to a meeting with the President to negotiate a settlement in respect of the pronouncement by the Right Honourable Speaker on Thursday, 17th October, in response to a call by the minority leader to declare the seats of 4 members of parliament vacant. Parliament states without any equivocation that there is no iota of truth in the insinuation in the circulated video. The video in question was taken on 4th July 2024 when the Right Honourable Speaker led a delegation to present the Maiden Democracy Cup to the President. They attempt to wrongly label the video and twist facts to impugn the integrity of Right Honourable Speaker and Parliament is not only disingenuous but unfortunate. The general public is hereby advised to ignore the attempt to hoodwink them into believing what has never transpired and treat the narrative with the contempt it deserves. Omo de abetu just say video bi ni na obonten e che say Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo aton safre speaker ama one leaders bi ekosia normal conjunction nsem no ho no se bibia sense na we ye 4th July kromo presidential cap no parliament AD omo afofida no ena omo eko president 20 it has nothing to do with this issue. Honorable me ban chances here mama me titia wa bi
before we go no where communication from parliament.
Yes, parliamentary service.
Parliamentary service. Is that the language that parliamentary service you use?
And not so because me kind of say
treat it with contempt that it deserves. Is that the language that the public relations outfit of parliament should use?
So Lawrence Quartin
very harsh tone.
Very harsh tone.
Is that the language?
The wording.
And it comes to rather even insinuate than rather say.
First of all, President Winia Otukwai. Nti so be kase president invite backbench speaker. So Rami Nshia and Yanokre. But the president is not even around. Indeed, the vice president they say will act as the president. Until to that extent, okay, so Yanokre, president, speaker, onya invitation be asa from the president. But you are aware because president be too kind also for the information about parliament. Until information they are bringing and crown no say we too kind. The president is not even here. They are all and circulating and Yanokre. And the people should ignore it. So like I say, people should ignore it. Different from saying that the general public should treat it with the contempt that it deserves. That language is very unparliamentary, it's very uncivil, and whoever did that should bow down his head in shame.
Gabi Rabank, Enyan Fied Hanai. Na, the air can say, only a dija, Huberto. Service account current, that chinty account. Say VIP cash collection, we wedding engagement, per for Sika, Susu service. What the only Jabi Rural Bank if you're Janai, and the Nija, a Josubo, Boasu Japan Pankron, New Roman Hill Magazine, New Road, Sepertim Po from a side is mine, Asante Jabin, and the head office, Fred 0271 409340. Sompa Chedi Gusua, Ebom Kaya said, Ukraine. Any a jankabedi di bronya na shatade eje won toma wo mo wanwa any bibia ye die ye bia no fa be dying opeso send sika 0598 559802 Universal Fire Revival Chapel Jumedie e koswa omuguswa chese enra no mo shase what works when nothing is working. Reverend Chaske Fosu aton San Fred Nyame akukudam Apostle Simon KD Yeboa, Reverend Paul Attentim, Apostle Subanahin, Prophet Kojo Kwam. So Munyina Amre Jumedi na se, and you no num koprim anajon on Chrome, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yawada 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. morning service. Shannon Sosodo Hobeshim, Imi Pro service. Yado ko China for 7-day visit. Guangzhou, 2,499 cities for tickets, airport transfers, accommodation, breakfast, and anyone some Niano, you know, become a BBA. See, Yami Adma 8 November, and I year two, but it's near the registration number, yeah. Oh dear. 0244 924573. Now, my friend, I pay. May come for say good morning about Mr. Beboao. I'm a one CPS sita. Ebema menstrual disorders in every infection, loss of appetite. For 0246 594 117. Bayport fixed deposit. Beboao. I'm a what to me a day. A Cresicana, a Hunsi Docho. 91 days, 182 and 365 investment packages. No, your place is Bayport. For 0244 807238 0244 807238. Na bibi anko 21st clinic. And one say pains na free wo to asisania no. Na ede niam bi ekoso a emmoa wo to ase atwetwe che. For any 21st clinic, sciatica no you be year free ho am. Free 0540 311 311. Ashford toothbrush, any Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste, and one and Opebi Obiadi Twitchin is here, you may Twitchy, Ami and Numa Daho, Fibo Ventures, Ewa Sego Lane, Open Doso Port to Afre 0535 452 263 0535 452 263. Kanjin and Magic drinking water. Alkaline 8.5 pH water, calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, and wow, hydrating well. A antioxidant, a use Sufibia, a ohro, uncheni so ye. Kanjin and magic drinking water, it keeps your skin non-wrinkled. And ultimately come for mouth. Brema UGC, Tafuni Road, and Abawa Route Junction. For 0241 449191 0241 449191. 3A Herbal Center. Yeah, there's a 3A co capsules about a US space. Ashiko Nase, Emma Williamson team, Oko Kolinak Dani Misty Apidanka Obenya Biato, Fred 0246 107 107. Piling and stomach guard syrup. Stomach guard. Also, ahawa hyperacidity now as a bush show unya heartburns unya ulcer bua uyi inflammado do nyina no uhia stomach guard afei piling there eyi koko bia free umu bomodin frɛ 020597216047 honorable
yes sir
mame fa we musa ne yemfa nwie
yes sir
Supreme Court anamoya omotwe is it binding on the speaker because must say parliament make their own laws and to must say speaker is not bound by the decision the friend will say separation of powers it's a judiciary to me bongra home and speaker orders sana mranika tiawa
Emrano nkasa see
speaker obekwa na menu mienu
the that's a threat to him.
I am threatening him. I'm aware, pass. I'm threatening him.
Parliament of Ghana. Unlike the parliament in the Westminster systems.
Okay.
Like the Parliament of England, the Parliament of Canada, the Parliament of India, the Parliament of Australia. Parliament is sovereign. Yeah, Parliament is so sovereign.
Though we are a wing of.
Yes. Yeah, Parliament is sovereign.
Oh, okay.
Our Parliament is subservient to the Constitution of the Republic. And then even where Constitution no the discretionary powers we must speak no. Constitution no in Article 296 say in the exercise of discretionary power they must speak no. It should be in tandem with the Constitution.
Oh, okay.
Be a discretionary power so ahade.
Wa fa wa gene yellow. E was say enne embrano. Eni se boybra. Eni se boybra. Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of the land. Atemwa for no ankasa omubu ateno kra no. O say omudiso. O say speaker diso, o say president diso, o say vice president diso. Ndi wundi me kasa me speaker ndi me so. And I say parliament ndi me kasa yeah mra no. If we are under the rule of law, we mra o say we di mra no so. Ndi the speaker obi obeka jo say e fe no say the speaker can speaking according to where the interpretation and over is okay article 2 of the Constitution or can be was a person who alleges that 2.1 and 2.1b in irrelevant that any act or omission of any person includes the president, the vice president, the speaker, the chief justice is inconsistent with or in contravention of a provision of this Constitution may bring an action in the Supreme Court for a declaration to that effect. Okay.
What do I say? Now, or say the Supreme Court shall, for the purpose of a declaration under one of this article, make such orders and give such directions as may consider appropriate for giving effect or enabling effect to be given to the declaration so made. And then my
and he ain't me must say you about me bet matna dwam say
he cannot.
Now
Say you can be cited for contempt.
To Constitution
now be cited for contempt by the Supreme Court. And yes, the Supreme Court Parliament for contempt. What kind of infantile reasoning is that?
Cite the Supreme Court for contempt.
For the Chief Justice for contempt. Contempt at where?
Why never
contempt at where? Contempt at where? And any man it be S3. So that is the purpose of and the purpose and import of Article 2 of the Constitution. Then so if anything yes.
A speaker never cited for contempt, no parliament.
Yes, indeed. Yes. Okay, Article 125 and Article 125. And so the judicial, the exercise of judicial power. And 1253 said the judicial power of Ghana shall be vested in the judiciary. Accordingly, neither the president nor parliament nor any organ or agency of the president or parliament shall have or be given final judicial power. Final judicial power rests with the judiciary.
Okay.
Supreme Court.
125.
And you are speaking from a position of ignorance with the greatest respect to whoever is saying that. That is what it is.
All right. Honorable Chairman, sir, I have better say near dinner. Why? Okay, Maminya birthday, happy birthday to Maminya Kon, and Wawoda Ashtown, Yama Trinkwa, Rade, Mo Hobain, Maminya Kon, happy birthday. Inspector Collins Ahinkra of Ashanti Regional Police Command. Hey, Collins, oh, wonderful person. Sompa for now, Trinkwa. Collins, one for power. All right, Madam Irene Owusu of Virginia, and now you are USA. Also, Star Joab Wahima of Isuta, Precious Poma of Nyinahini, and now you are from Berrima Drew, Stillwater Radio. Madam Vivian Fosua of Swami Methodist, Frederick Charles Kofi Unia or Mautinkwa, Adeline Anabuachi of Obuasi Tutuka, Opera and Somo Mautinkwa, Evangeline Inkunim Ofori of Lady Bia Montessori, Mr. and Mrs. Ofori, Purity Eramo Usua of UK, from your husband Chronicle, Purity Eramo Usua, Mame Sapon Kuma, CEO of Eagle Height Group of Companies and Lobbies and Makeover, Sir Frimpong Manso Adakabre. Sir Frimpong Manson Adakabre, today is your birthday, the 2nd. Abrefi of Kumasi Central, Rexford, anyway, Abba, Obapa Akos, Ohima Ghana, Obapa Akos, today is your birthday. And then we have Ejekumwa of Ghana Police Service, Sofolai, Kechre Obi, anyway, Abba. Now, yàtí sẹ́ MPP before be a cover parliament. Ọmọ kọ̀pẹ́ di ọ̀hún. Why not smile? Wait, head ọmọ kyerẹ́. Police for the pamu ọmọ free ọ̀nà mu náà ẹ̀kọ́. Ẹ̀dùn mẹ́bí àwọn sábì ọmọ àná sísun àṣẹ nkirasi sẹ́ wọ́n èsùsù àṣẹ ẹni sẹ́yìn. MPP for náà yẹsùn ọmọ free Ade Akye Abia Deputy Majority Chief Whip ní constituency. Ọmọ kọ̀pẹ́ di ọ̀hún. When say munu we nyina eni so omo duru ano ho ka ha kra ni se ko omo duru ho omo fe Ade Akye omo ko pe de ho eni nkasi semini Ghana yeso so ne ma so do na ti NDC for nso so se omo so ko support omo nkrofo na omo so tigu ho no ma NDC for be ne ho ama me fo omo beton betena dwoma tom ne ma wo sawam ama nkofo anya pa no atom akota asasem koi omo pa mo omo free omo kwa ne ho toy e de ensem kra ni a Ghana so nsem fun so kra do